A surprising land dispute from Bangalore has caught everyone's attention. In 2006, a man sold his land to arrange money for his daughter's marriage. The sale was done directly, all documents were signed properly, and the buyers have been paying taxes regularly for the last 19 years. The property is fully registered in the buyer's family name and the khata is also updated. But now, after almost 2 decades, the seller's daughter has sent a legal notice to the current owners. She claims that she was not asked or consulted before the sale and is now demanding money from the buyers as compensation. What's more shocking is that she was not a minor when the land was sold. Initially, the seller's son told the buyers not to worry and said it was a family issue that would be solved peacefully. But later, the same family changed their stand and told the buyers to get a lawyer because they would be moving to court. Recently, the seller's family has started asking for an out-of-court settlement and has even used mild threats like, "What if the judge rules in her favor?" The buyers have confirmed that all their documents, including the sale date and tax records, are in perfect order. They also consulted lawyers who have said that the buyers are on solid legal ground. This story went viral after the buyer shared his side on Reddit, where many people supported him. Some users said this is just a pressure tactic, while others warned that the seller's daughter might be trying to recover what she feels is her share in the family property, even though the land was sold long ago. The interesting part is that the land was clearly sold by her own father for her marriage, but now she claims she was left out of the decision and wants a settlement from the buyer. This strange case has triggered an online debate about whether this is a genuine inheritance dispute or just an unfair way to extract money from innocent buyers. It's a reminder that even old property deals can suddenly come back with unexpected twists.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.